Hi, friends, and welcome back to the Life Work Balance channel, where together we go on a journey where we're designing a life that not only supports our goals, but also supports our souls. Stay tuned today because we are going to dive a little into time management strategies that will leave you hopefully feeling less stressed but more productive. And by the end of this video, you'll have actionable step-by-step plans for managing your time with purpose. Step one is start with clarity. What matters the most to you? You're going to grab your journal or your device, and you're going to write your top 3 priorities, whether that's your family, your work, your health, your devotional time. This gives your time management a purpose beyond just staying busy. Step number 2 is audit your time. Let's figure out where all of our time is landing. For one day, I want you to track every hour, whether it be in a notebook or in an app like Clockify, what you're doing. Are you spending time on activities that align to your priorities and your goals, or ones that don't? Hey, there is no judgment, just awareness. This will help you spot areas to shift. Step number 3 is set your non-negotiables. This might be one of my favorite strategies for, being able to prioritize life over work. And so you're going to block out your non-negotiables, those must-have moments that fuel your body, mind, and or spirit. This might include devotional time, a brisk walk to clear your head, or meal prepping for the week. By scheduling these first, you ensure that they do not get pushed aside when life gets busy. Step number 4 is overcoming the busy trap. Yes, that's actually a phrase, right? It is a trap, right? Have you ever felt like your packed schedule was so productive and you're getting things done, but you weren't actually moving towards your goals in the process? That's the busy trap. So, in order to break free from this trap, it's important to try batching or bundling tasks. For example, you could pair your walking time, right, with a podcast, or prepping your meals while catching up on your favorite show. So batching tasks like errands or emails helps you maximize your time so that you have room in your schedule, right? In your work schedule and your life schedule to do the things that bring the most meaning and the most purpose. Commercial break. For those of you who are thinking about going on this journey with me, I purchased a few books. I actually have quite a library, but in this case, it's called The Essentialism, and this is actually the companion to it. It is The Essentialism Planner, which is a 90-day guide to accomplishing more by doing less. Wow, that sounds phenomenal, right? I also will be diving into the 12-week year. Get more done in 12 weeks than others do in 12 months. For those of us who still are working, right, full time. And then getting things done, right? The art of stress-free productivity. Wow, wow, just all of it just speaks to my soul so much. So if you're on this journey with me, and you want to delve into any of these books, I'm sure they have them on audiobooks. I'm pretty sure I saw that, Kindle versions, etc. Then please pop in the comments if you have read it, if you are reading it, etc. And you can put a little book in the emoji in the comments, and that lets me know that you are reading or interested in reading any of the books suggested there. But in order for us to continue to grow, right, we have to pour into ourselves, and some of that is intellectual growth as well. So excited to share those with you. Step number 5 is designing a flexible schedule. Let's build a schedule that supports your flow. Start with 3 sections: morning, afternoon, and evening. Assign specific tasks to each, like devotional time in the morning, focused work in the afternoon, and family or winding down activities in the evening. Add alerts to your phone as gentle reminders, especially if you're like me and sometimes lose track of time. Number 6, plan ahead, but stay adaptable. That's huge, right? So here's a pro tip: calendar as far ahead as you possibly can. Mark down your deadlines, your special events, and even your personal goals. Having a clear picture of what's ahead reduces stress and last minute scrambling. But life happens, so leave room for flexibility. This next one resonates with me so much. And I think about, in my career earlier on, of how this was an intention that I set, and I've kind of lost that in the last few years. And I need to remember this one for myself. So I hope if you're on this journey with me, this resonates with you too. Step 7 is play hard before you work hard. Come on now. I didn't say after, I said before. So here's the game changer, right? Start your work sessions with a little fun, whether it's playing with your kids, dancing to your favorite song if you're in the workplace, right? Bring the coworkers out into the hallway and dance to your favorite songs, or a quick outdoor game, right? This burst of joy energizes you for the task ahead, and that's a no-brainer, right? Our last step, step 8, is reflect weekly. Finally, after everything that you do and have done throughout the week, take 10 minutes every week to reflect what worked, what didn't, and adjust as needed, right? We are, right, fluid and adjusting and adaptable, right? So adjust as needed. For instance, did bundling or batching tasks save you time? Did your alerts keep you on track? Growth is all about learning and tweaking and not perfection. I hope that you found value in today's learning around the various time management tools and strategies that were put into place. I hope that everything works out the way that you intended, but give yourself grace, right? Especially if you fall into that busy trap until we meet again. But the bottom line is your personalized roadmap for creating time that works for you is just about you, right? Remember these tools, whether it's your meal prepping, your task bundling, or setting phone alerts. They're all here to serve you. Technology, right, is here to serve you. If this video gave you any new ideas Please share your wins in the comments. Like I said, if you don't mind popping a little emoji of a book, that lets me know if you are choosing to read or not read. And if don't, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that we can keep growing together. Until next time, keep designing your balanced life.